I've got a very short routine for you for a healthy body. We'll start off with deep belly breathing, bringing one hand on top of each other, interlaced at the webs of the thumb, and then place your hands on your belly. We'll breathe in, allowing our belly to expand into our hands, and then exhaling, allowing our belly to move back towards the spine. Breathing in, allowing our belly to move towards our hands, and out, allowing our belly to go back towards the spine. We'll do a few more in our own time. See if you can make your breath longer and slower. And one last one, breathing in and breathing out, allowing our belly to move back towards the spine. Releasing our hands, and we'll finish off with knocking on the door of life. So turning from our center, allowing our arms to gently knock across our body, taking deep breaths, giving ourselves a little boost of energy and vitality. Whenever we need during the day. Allowing us to unravel, coming slowly back towards the center. Let me know what you enjoyed the most about this routine. And as always, feel free to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Bye.